This will be a quick video demonstrating just a little bit about the Dashboard Designer. I'll have more videos on that feature, the dashboards, soon, but I just want to show something here. This is a simple dashboard that includes filtering by member name. For example, if you want to uncheck loose change member, for example. Loose change is provided by default. Before you begin adding your own member information, that's provided so that you can have a place to put those contributions that are not by check, by envelope, by credit card, online. There's no way to identify who those dollars and cents came from. They were just dropped in a collection plate. So sometimes you're doing a chart, you don't want to include that information, so you uncheck that. So what we have here is a simple bar chart with the member name and the amount they contributed. And at the bottom is a little different style chart. It's a card for each member date and contribution showing those amounts. But what I didn't include, and you want to use, will be a date range filter. A way to filter these dates so that you can say what was given last month or last 6 months. So we're going to click here and add a range filter. Now we're here, it's telling you specify range filter values. We'll filter on the contribution date, and we'll click here. We'll add it over here, contribution date as argument. And here this drop down arrow will let us choose day, month, and year. So it's already created a dragger so that we could filter by moving this. All right. That's kind of what we want to do. And the values, again, what we're filtering on will be contribution date. So if I change this, then we get fewer items because we've filtered based on the date selected. The only thing I want to do is I'm going to right-click on this filter area, and we're going to edit periods. These are the little buttons at the bottom you can quickly select. So we'll say we want to do filtering for contributions for this month, for the last 12 months, maybe not a calendar year, last 6 months, last 30 days. These are the common ways to filter data. We can do year to date, quarter to date, depending on how much you want to filter data. Now, it won't make much sense to use future dates like the next 30 days, 60 days, and so on. Just the last bit of information. Or we could use this. I've already got this month. Let's see, do I have this year? Got the last 12 months. Got this quarter. Let's add this year. And we'll make that be the default. And close. So now we've made this change. I'm going to save the chart, the dashboard, and close it, and we'll open it in your normal view. So when you select this from the menu, from the tree view, here we have these additional filters. And we could say the last month. You see how it changed. Now this is all October. If we go the last 6 months, we get more data. If we do the last 60 days, it's filtered again. Last year, didn't have any contributions last year. Last 90 days, next month, and again back to this year. So I think it'll be helpful to you to be able to learn how to do the filtering, add this to your dashboards. And you could rename this from Date Filter 1 to something else. But I just want to give you an idea of some of the features in the dashboard. And we'll come back. I'll have more videos for you soon at churchsecretaryforwindows.com. Thanks for watching.